Hey, it's Tom Z with Traction Real Estate Mentors, and in this quick video, we're going to talk about the different choices that you can make in life. It's one or the other. You're going to learn a lot. Keep it rolling and stay tuned. Life is full of choices, and you've got to actually make those choices. Otherwise, you get overwhelmed by them. It's just a lot of noise in your head. And as entrepreneurs, as real estate investors, we get stuck sometimes with the overwhelm of the sheer amount of choices that we have to make. Do I do this? Do I not do this? Do I do that? Do I do something else? What is it going to be? You'll drive yourself crazy if you don't start making the choices. Don't let your choices linger. Simply decide. When you learn to move fast and make decisions, make choices, and don't let them wait, that's when you'll start moving ahead as a real estate investor and as an entrepreneur. Otherwise, you stay stuck, and stuck's not a good spot to be. We want to move you from stuck to getting you into movement and flowing, and in order to do that, you've got to make the choices when they're presented to you. Here's the problem. Most people don't have a clue who they are and what they really want. You've got to spend some time to sit down and map that out. If you don't, then you stay stuck. If you don't, then you're confused. If you don't, that's what creates a lot of big problems. When you do start to make those choices, then you'll not just move ahead in your business, you're going to comfortably understand where you're at and where you're going from there. But in order to understand where you're heading, you have to understand where you are now. Where are you exactly right now? Most people haven't a clue because they haven't stopped to consider and make all the choices that they have to make. So rather than avoid that, rather than think that's problematic, I want you to buckle down now and make the choices that you've been skipping. Make the choices you've been ignoring. Even if you think they're tough, you'll be surprised. You spend a little bit of time on them, they'll go really easy, and then you can know exactly where you are now and where you want to be in the future. Make those choices, and if real estate investing is one of those choices, if you want to become successful as a real estate investor, there's three things you have to master. You have to master how to find deals, how to make deals, and how to get paid. That's marketing, negotiation, contracts, and control. And that is exactly what I can help you with in my Rapid Cash Generator Kit and my Rapid Cash Generator Implementation Bootcamp. Have a look at TractionRealEstateMentors.com. Check out my Rapid Cash Generator Kit and my Rapid Cash Generator Implementation Bootcamp. Make a decision if this is good for you or not. Make a decision if this is something you want to invest in and commit to or not. Either way is okay. There's nothing wrong with yes and there's nothing wrong with no. The only bad answer is a maybe. Maybe leaves you stuck. You need to decide one way or the other. Take a look. If it's something that you think works for you, then by all means, go ahead, invest in it. I would love to teach you how to make more deals, have more profits, and get more freedom. That's what the Rapid Cash Generator Kit and the Rapid Cash Generator Implementation Bootcamp are all about. Go to TractionRealEstateMentors.com and check it out. If you liked this video and got something out of it, go ahead and click on the like button below. Would love to meet more great people just like you.